After buying a new car, you must set these practical functions, otherwise your car is for nothing. First, the car is powered on. Find this lock button on the door. Press and hold for 10 seconds. When you hear a beep, the automatic lock function is set. Later, when your speed exceeds 20 kilometers per hour, the vehicle will automatically lock. Second, align the switch of the rearview mirror with R. Then put in reverse. Then adjust the rearview mirror to just the position where you can see the rear tires. The rearview mirror auto down function is set. In the future, as long as you hang the reverse gear, the rearview mirror will automatically turn down. Third, find the glass lift switch on the door. Pull to the top and hold for 5 seconds without loosening. In this way, the anti-pinch function is set. In the future, the glass will automatically drop when it encounters obstacles in the process of lifting and lowering the glass. Prevent hand pinch. Fourth, we press the unlock button. All 4 doors can be opened. Actually, it's not safe because bad guys will get into your car from other doors. We are in the settings of the central control screen. Locate the door and window switches. There is a door unlocked inside. Default is all doors. We tune into a single door. After setting, when we press the unlock button again, only the main driver's door can be opened. No other doors can be opened. Girls who drive alone must set it up. Finally, we often encounter the window forgetting to raise after getting out of the car. In fact, you can set the one-button window lift function outside the car. We only need to press and hold the lock button on the key for 5 seconds to activate this function. In the future, when we find that the windows forgot to close, we just need to press and hold the key to lock the car and keep it tight. All windows will automatically raise. The sunroof also closes automatically. Is it particularly useful? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.